Stop struggling, let technology handle the snow this season. Shoveling snow used to be a dreaded chore, but not anymore. These smart snow remover power through even heavy drifts effortlessly. Compact, efficient, and built to last, they're perfect for every driveway size. Now winter cleanup can be quick, safe, and almost enjoyable. All these gadgets links are in the description below. Number 12. Giosuan Snow Shovel. Still shoveling snow the hard way? This cordless beast makes winter cleanup feel effortless. Designed to clear snow quickly from driveways, sidewalks, patios, decks, and steps without the strain of manual shoveling. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers strong performance while being quieter, more durable, and energy efficient. The included 21-volt 4.0, a rechargeable battery, and fast charger provide cordless freedom, letting you throw snow up to around 20 feet away with ease. Its lightweight, compact build and adjustable handle make it comfortable for users of different heights and easy to store. Number 11. Greenworks Brushless Shovel. Tired of back-breaking snow shoveling? This cordless beast clears snow like magic. Make winter cleanup fast and effortless without gas, cords, or manual strain. Powered by an 80-volt lithium-ion battery and a high-efficiency brushless motor, it delivers strong, consistent performance for clearing driveways, sidewalks, decks, and patios. The 12-inch clearing width and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver while throwing snow several feet away. It comes with a 2.0 Ah battery and charger, so it's ready to use right out of the box, with low noise, zero emissions, and minimal maintenance. Number 10. Earthwise Electric Snow Thrower. Stop struggling with snow, let this little beast do the work. Your lightweight yet powerful winter warrior that clears snow fast without gas, cords, or headaches. This compact snow blower features a 20-volt brushless motor and included 4.0, a lithium-ion battery plus charger, delivering up to 60 minutes of cordless snow clearing power. With a 12-inch clearing width, 3.5-inch clearing depth, and the ability to throw snow up to 25 feet away, it moves about 300 pounds of snow per minute. The dual-blade auger and ergonomic auxiliary handle make it easy to maneuver, while the lightweight design ensures you won't wear yourself out pushing it through snow. Number 9. Litheli Cordless Snow Shovel. Snow days just got smarter to clear your path without breaking a sweat. It runs on a powerful 40-volt system using two 20-volt batteries and features a brushless motor for better efficiency, longer runtime, and less maintenance. With a 14-inch clearing width, it's ideal for light to moderate snowfall, while the adjustable directional plate lets you control where the snow is thrown. The adjustable handle improves comfort and control, reducing strain during use. Fully cordless and easy to maneuver. Number 8. WORX Electric Snow Thrower. Clear snow in minutes, not hours. Your winter lifesaver is here. Powered by a 40-volt rechargeable battery, this cordless shovel clears up to 12 inches wide and 6 inches deep, effortlessly tossing snow up to 25 feet away. Its brushless motor delivers efficient, powerful performance with 2 speed settings, while the adjustable ergonomic handle keeps your posture comfortable during use. Lightweight, compact, and designed for sidewalks, driveways, patios, and stairs, it's perfect for homeowners who want fast, effortless snow removal without the hassle of cords or gas. Number 7. YGQ Shovel. Snow piling up fast. One press, and this cordless shovel does the hard work for you. This 13-inch cordless electric snow shovel is designed to make snow removal fast and effortless, featuring a powerful motor and a compact design. It comes with two 48-volt 4.0 rechargeable batteries and a charger, giving you extended runtime without dealing with cords or fuel. The shovel offers a 13-inch clearing width and up to 6.5-inch snow depth, allowing you to move a solid amount of snow in each pass. An adjustable snow throwing chute lets you control the direction of the snow, while the lightweight, ergonomic handle reduces strain on your arms and back. Number 6. Joe Sovel Kit. Conquer winter in minutes, not hours. This lightweight 12 pounds powerhouse features an 11-inch clearing width and a 400-watt motor that throws snow up to 20 feet effortlessly. Powered by a 24-volt 5Ah battery with a charger, it's fully cordless, so you can forget about tangled cords or messy gas engines. Ergonomic handles ensure comfort while you clear snow fast and efficiently. Don't let snow slow you down. Grab your Snow Joe and make winter easy. Number 5. Toro Power Shovel. Battling now every winter? Say goodbye to back-breaking shoveling. A 12-inch power shovel is a cordless, battery-powered snow clearing machine. Designed as a bare tool, it runs on Toro's 60-volt max battery system, giving you the freedom of cordless operation without the hassle of gas or cords. With a 12-inch clearing width and lightweight design, it makes clearing light to moderate snow effortless and fast. Upgrade your winter routine with this powerful yet easy-to-use snow solution. Number 4. Cpoium Shovel. This tool does all the heavy lifting for you. Powerful battery-operated snowblower comes with a 24-volt brushless motor and a 5.0 rechargeable battery, giving you cord-free freedom to clear snow up to 14.4 inches wide and throw it as far as 26 feet in a single pass. Lightweight and ergonomic, it features an adjustable handle for maximum comfort, making long snow clearing sessions effortless. With high speed, 5,000 revolutions per minute performance, even thick snow doesn't stand a chance. Perfect for driveways, sidewalks, patios, or anywhere snow piles up. Number 3. Tolsprint Cordless Shovel. Clear your driveway in minutes without breaking a sweat. Your snow clearing companion. Powered by a 20-volt rechargeable battery, this lightweight yet powerful shovel can effortlessly clear snow up to 12 inches wide and throw it as far as 16 feet, making driveways, sidewalks, and patios winter-ready in minutes. Its cordless design means no tangled cords or limited reach, while the quick charger ensures you're ready for the next snowstorm fast. Number 2. WEN Snow Shovel. Why shovel snow the hard way when this cordless powerhouse does it for you? This lightweight, battery-powered shovel clears sidewalks, driveways, patios, and decks effortlessly with its 12-inch wide blade. No cords, no gas, just pure cordless convenience powered by a 20-volt 5A lithium-ion battery, which comes with a charger for instant use. Ergonomically designed for easy handling, it lets you tackle snow quickly without straining your back. Whether it's light flurries or heavy snow, this shovel makes winter cleanup faster, safer, and way more comfortable. Number 1. DEKOPRO Electric Shovel. Why struggle with shovels when snow removal can be this effortless? Powered by a 40-volt 4.0 lithium-ion battery and a 1,000-watt brushless motor, this lightweight snowblower can clear up to 14 inches wide in one pass and throw snow up to 21 feet away. Its cordless design. The ergonomic adjustable handle ensures comfort during extended use, while cold-rated battery cells let you tackle snow even in freezing temperatures. With tool-free assembly and 25 to 30 minutes of runtime, it's efficient, convenient, and easy to store. And that's a wrap for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Which one did you like the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.